everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm making a super easy one-pot rice cooker noodles recipe. It's quick, budget-friendly, and perfect for busy days because everything cooks together in one pot. Let's get started. First, I've cut 2 chicken thighs into small pieces. I'm adding 1 teaspoon soy sauce, a pinch of sugar, and a little salt. Mix everything well and let the chicken marinate while we prepare the other ingredients. Cook the chicken in 2 tablespoons of veg oil till it is golden brown and tender. Now add these tender chicken into the rice cooker. Here I have 1 cup of mixed vegetables, carrots, potatoes, beans. You can use any vegetables you have at home. Now add minced garlic, chopped onion, and 2 red chili. I am adding 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Now I'm adding 2 chicken stock cubes and 1/2 teaspoon of Chinese 5-spice powder. This little extra touch makes the dish more flavorful and aromatic.
Add salt as per your taste.
Add some water. Now add noodles. Close the lid and turn on the regular rice cooking setting. That's it. The rice cooker will do all the work for us. Rest for about 5 minutes, then gently fluff and mix everything together. I'm serving these delicious one-pot noodles hot. You can garnish with garlic, coriander leaves, or a drizzle of sesame oil for even more flavor. Look at that! Soft noodles, juicy chicken, and colorful vegetables, all cooked in one pot. If you enjoyed this easy rice cooker recipe, don't forget to like, share, and follow Golden Orange's Kitchen for more simple and delicious meals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.